Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? Welcome to a new series on this channel, and this series is one palette, two looks. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to take one eyeshadow palette, which will be our eyeshadow palette of the month. We're going to do two looks with that palette, and I'm going to show you how I did those two looks in a very tutorialish style. जैसे हम पुराने ज़माने में करते थे. पुराना ज़माना. So yes, but before jumping in, if you haven't seen me before, if this is the first time you are seeing my face, hi, I am Himanshu Vijay. On this channel, we do this colorful eye makeup. We talk about very affordable makeup products, and we also talk about skincare. So if that resonates with you, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon so you get the notification. Support your small creator girly. Yep. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. Let's go. So our palette of the month is a very brand new palette, and if you have been in the video, in my last video of 2024, which was ranking my eyeshadow palettes, you would have seen the number one palette in that video, which was this. This is the Winter Wonderland palette from Cosmic Beauty. This is not a new palette. It launched in 2023, but मुझे इसको लेने में एक साल लग गया because इंडिया में इसका मिलना थोड़ा मुश्किल हो रहा था. But I finally have my hands on this, and yeah, I spent 4400 rupees on this palette, so it is very costly. अगर आप थोड़ा सा इस वीडियो को सपोर्ट कर दोगे तो शायद इस palette के थोड़े से पैसे मैं निकाल सकूंगी because I'm broke now. Okay, so this is how the palette looks from inside. I mean, this is how the palette is, and this is how it looks from the inside. If you can see, yep, this palette is like a teal, blue, and a purple lover's paradise. I have done this blue look, and I also did another very purpley look, and I'm going to show you how to do these two looks with this palette. So let's get in. Let's go.
So for today, we are gonna work with all the violets and purples because I do see quite a few on the very front row. And this one, oh my god, you know what? This is appearing blue to you from here, but when I see it from here, it's actually a purple. Can you see? No, the light is not. You see, this is purple from here and blue, green from here. See, मैं कह रही हूँ कि वहाँ green दिख रहा है, but मुझे तो यहाँ से purple दिख रहा है यार. So yeah, you know, very shifty shadow, that green purpley thing. जो I don't think किसी और में वो duochrome वाला effect है. This one also is a duochrome. You can see it's pink from here. But see, it's a bit of a baby blue from here. Yeah. So we do have shifty shadows over here. So all of this, like green, minty, tealy, I'm going to do it later. What I really want to do today is I want to play it with purples, and I want to add a pop of mint in my inner eye. That is something I'm going on with today. Right? So without blabbering anymore, let me get into the look number one for 25th December, which is Christmas. So let's go. Look has turned out. You can see there is mint and there is a lot of purple happening. I really like this look. Okay, I mean देखो, मैंने जब ये पैलेट लिया था ना, मुझे पता था ये पैलेट बहुत अच्छा है. ठीक है, मैंने इस पैलेट को टेस्ट करने के पर्पज से लिया भी नहीं था क्योंकि मुझे पता पैलेट अच्छा है, मुझे पता इसकी क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है. I only got it because I wanted to try all of these eccentric looks with my favorite colors, and that is what I'm getting, and I am really so happy. So yeah, this is it for look number one. Let's move into look number two. Let's go. Hi, welcome to day 2, and oh my god guys, the struggles I've had with my base makeup today. Oh, it was really bad. My base today is just not happening. I don't know why. Like मैं 3 बार मुंह धो के दोबारा मैंने तीसरी बार ये करा है, and when everything was fine, the blush fucked me up real bad. I hate my base today. We just add a little bit blush. But let's fix everything with the eye. In the look 2 today, we are gravitating towards the blues. Okay, I want to do these two colors separately. Like ये दोनों मैं सिर्फ एक अलग look में use करना चाहती हूँ. So we are not going to touch these two. Okay, this is going to be a whole separate thing. So what I'm gravitating towards is these three, right? And of course, icicle is one of those colors that really have my heart. And I am also looking at atmosphere over here, like it has a green to purple shade. No, it has a green to purple shade. We are not going to dive into this. And this winter solstice, yeah, this definitely is calling my name out. So I'm going to take fresh air. Ooh, it is a vibrant color. I just took a little bit of that baby blue shade and I'm swirling it through. I'm going to darken this up because we want a lot of this color fully saturated on our lids. Yeah, this is nice. But as I said, मुझे ना एक थोड़ा सा और darker color चाहिए था इसके अंदर, you know, just to give my lid a bit of that depth. So I'm gonna go in with this palette now because I just really want that bit of a depth, which I'm really lacking, and I'm gonna use this one shade because I don't find a mid-tone shade here. Like it's either very light or either very dark. एक mid में कुछ चीज जो चाहिए होती है ना वो गायब है. Yeah, can you see the vibrancy now? You know, the reason why it is important for us to have something in the mid that could be a little bit darker is because our skin tone is not white, right? We are brown people and बहुत ज़्यादा light colors ना हमारी skin tone पर दिखते नहीं हैं और बहुत ज़्यादा dark वाले हम पे बहुत dark लगते हैं, right? So I have to be very selective of the type of colors I'm putting on my lids because जैसे वो शायद गोरे लोगों पे लगते हैं ना वो मेरी skin के ऊपर वैसे नहीं आते. So there is a thing that I have to be very careful about. I am gonna go in with Chill. It's going to be a very dark color, but okay, here we are. Ooh, yep. It's giving Chill vibes. And I'm gonna take it थोड़ा सा अंदर, थोड़ा सा बाहर lid के, because I want it to be everywhere. Wow, this is so pretty. Now what I am really feeling इस look के अंदर नहीं आ रहा is my lids are being a bit out of place. So I got to give something on my lids. Yeah. I am gonna take Icicle, the very lightest blue, and I'm gonna give it a swirl over here. Better, so much better. And now for one very important thing, we will gonna take this winter solstice. Like let's have a bit of a this is so pretty. Wow, this is so pretty. You know what I want to do is मैं Icicle लेना चाहती हूँ and I want to put it on the lid a little bit. And on top of this, I want to put winter solstice. I want this winter solstice to have a very baby bluey base. Can you see? I am taking the baby blue in my inner corner as well. Amazing. Now taking the darker two shades on my lower lash line. Yep. It's giving. Now one last thing to do, and I really want to do, is I just want to take this shimmer, I'll add this in the inner corner as well. This winter solstice in the inner corner of the eyes. Ooh, this is really giving. This is awesome. This is looking really good. Now let me just complete this with lashes and whatever, and then I'll be back.
Oh yes guys, so this is how this look looks. I think it's very pretty. I think I look really pretty. I think blue is definitely my color. And yup, I think I've done 2 looks with this palette and I'm really happy how these looks have turned out. I mean, cool tones look really good on me and I think that definitely comes out from this palette. And सिर्फ 2 look करके नहीं रुकने वाले हम इस palette से. In the next video, I am not sure वो कब आएगी, थोड़े time में probably, but I'm gonna do all these minties and greens. I'm gonna do these 2 shades. ये मैंने मुझे पता ही है कि ये 2 मैं एक बिल्कुल अलग यूज करने वाली हूँ. I'm going to do very cat eye look with just these 2 colors. I'm going to do minty looks with this particular row over here, and then yeah, and I just want to sit down and maybe do like pale, purple, blue, some milakar. So I'm going to do a lot of looks with this palette super soon, right? Right. So yes, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Although आप इस पैलेट को मेरे किसी भी एफिलिएट लिंक से नहीं ले पाओगे, बट अगर आपको कलर पॉप वाला पैलेट लेना है तो मैं इसको लिंक कर दूंगी. इफ यू थिंक 4400 इज अ लॉट एंड आपको एक छोटा पैलेट चाहिए, जस्ट द ब्लू थिंगी, तो ये वाला लिंक कर दूंगी. यू कैन बाय दिस वन. सो बाय बाय.